Good morning, Standard 5. How are you? I hope that all of you are fine. So, Standard 5, welcome to my class. I am Bulbul Sengupta, your maths teacher. Today I am going to start subtraction of decimals. Worksheet 4, unit number 6. So, here in the previous class, I have taught you how to do addition of decimals. So, always remember, whenever we are doing addition of decimals, same way as you used to do the addition in the whole number. Similarly, subtraction of decimals will be done in the same way as you used to do subtraction in the whole number. So let us firstly start with the like decimals. What are like decimals? Like decimals are the decimals which are having same decimal places. So let us subtract 16.53 from 28.94. So these are 16.53 and 28.94. These are like decimals. So first step. Firstly, you have to arrange these numbers in a column. First step, you arrange. This is minuend and this is subtrahend. Bigger number is a from. It is minuend and it is subtrahend. So we will arrange these numbers in a column. 28.94 will be subtracted with 16.53. Now second step, the decimal. This decimal, firstly after arranging these numbers minuend and subtrahend in column. Now second thing is decimal point should come one below the another in a column. One below the other in the column. And then third step, we will do the subtraction same as you used to do in the whole number. So 4 minus 3, it is 1. 9 minus 5, it is 4. Now just see the decimal follow one after another. So in the difference, the subtraction will follow this same way. We'll put down as in the column, just below the column of the decimal point. It is placed in the same in the difference as you used to place the decimals in the addition, in the sum. Now 8 minus 6 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the subtraction in the case of like decimals. Now what we will do if there is a subtraction in the case of unlike decimals. So let us explain it. Unlike decimals. Firstly, unlike decimals are those decimals in which the decimal places are different. Unlike decimals. So in case of unlike decimals, what we have to do? So unlike decimals are those decimals which are having different places, decimal places. So here in the case of unlike decimals, for example, subtract 28.56 from 36.486. Okay, 28.56 from 36.486. So first step, we will arrange these numbers. These are unlike fraction. So come and see, let us see which unlike decimals, not fraction. So in this number 36.486, it is having maximum decimal places, and in 28.56 it is having 2 decimal place, and 36.486 is having 3 decimal place. So we have to make this decimal number with a 3 decimal place without changing the value of this number. So here all of you see that 28.56 we will put here. This will become the decimal number with the 3 decimal place. Just put here 0 to the right of 6. So it also becomes the decimal number with the 3 decimal places. Now we will arrange this number 36.486 and 28.560 in a column. So we firstly arrange this number in a column. This is minuend, and this below this minuend we write down the subtrahend 560. Just follow with decimal point, will follow one below the other. Now we will do the subtraction, right? 6 minus 0, 6. 8 minus 6, 2. just do subtraction as you used to do in case of whole number, right? So here, and then 4, this 4 will become 14 and 6 will reduce to what? 5. So 14 minus 5, it is 9, and then 5. So this 5 will become 15 and 3 will reduce to 2. So 15 minus 8, it is 7, and then 2 minus 2 is 0. Just here in case of this subtraction, decimal point will follow one after other in case of difference also, same as in the case of subtraction. So the answer is 7.926. Here the decimal point is placed in same as in the case of sum. Okay children, now let us start worksheet number 4. Let us start worksheet number 4, question number 1. In case of question number 1, it is subtract. So let us discuss some questions. 3 point, here the numbers are arranged in column already. It is given in the book, right? So we start from the right hand side, same as in the case of whole number. 8 minus 6 is 2, and then follow the decimal point is following one after another. So in difference also there will be same place, at the same place, at the same point, decimal point will follow. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is the difference. Now let us take another example. B. Example is 98.86, and next one is just below it, 26.62. Now we do the subtraction. These are like decimals, subtractions in the like decimals. We start from the right hand side and then follow the same rule as you do in the whole number. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. Then decimal point will follow. Here again put just after in the column. Decimals are following one after another here in the difference also. 8 minus 6 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. So this is the difference, 72.24. So let us take another example. Example is 143.289 and 68.114. So see, decimal point, just it is one after another. This is the subtraction. We'll start from the right hand side. Start from here. First 9 minus 4. Just you do in whole number. Same thing. 8 minus 1, 7. 2 minus 1, 1. Then just follow this decimal. 3 minus 8. 3 is 13. So it will be 5. And then it will be 3 is 13 and 4 will reduce to 3. So 4 will become 13 and it will become 0. So 13 minus 6 is it is 7 and 0, it is 0. So this is the answer, 75.175. Just let us check it. 4 plus 5, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1 carry over, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14, 1. So 75.175. So this is the answer. So similarly you will do question number 1. Now come to question number 2. Question is arrange in column. Firstly you have to arrange the numbers, decimal numbers in column and then subtract. You have to firstly arrange the numbers in column and then you have to do subtraction. Now let's start with A. 6.3 from 9.5. So from 9.5 it is minuend. and this is subtrahend. So firstly let us arrange these numbers in column. So firstly write down 9.5. Just below it write down 6 point. Decimal will follow just one after other. So here, then put the subtraction sign. Let's start from the right hand side. Now forget about this decimal. Just concentrate as you used to do in whole number. The same thing you have to do in case of this. So 5 minus 3. You have to subtract from right hand side. So it is 2, and then 9 minus 6 is 3. So here decimal point, just it will follow same as in the case of addition in the difference also. So now come to another question. Another one is B. 71.084 from 90.04. So here all of you see that 71.084 and 90.04, they are not like decimals. So firstly we have to convert them into like decimals. Okay, again we should rewrite it. 71.084 from, so we have to convert this 90.04 into 3 places of decimals without changing the value of this decimal, putting 0 to the right side of the 0. Now this one, these two numbers, decimal numbers, becomes like decimals. Now we used to subtract from 90.040, it is minuend, and this 71.084, it is subtrahend. So in subtraction, minuend minus subtrahend. So firstly we write down this number in columns, 90.040, and just below it 71.084. First step. Second step, follow the decimal one below the other. Right? Put the subtraction sign. Now let us do the subtraction. Forget about these decimals. Do the subtraction as you used to do in the case of whole number. So this will become 10. This will become 3. So here 10 minus 4, 6. Again this will become 13 and this will become 9. So 13 minus 8 is 5. And 9 minus 0 is 9. Again this will become 10 and it will become 8. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 8 minus 7 is 1. Same as you have done in the case of whole number, you will have to do it here also. Now here put this decimal point are following one after other. So here also decimal point will follow same as in the column. So this is the difference. Now let us take another example. Example number G. 71.084 from 90.04. Here also same thing. The numbers are, oh, this thing I have discussed, it is repeated again. Now let us go to another one. It is H. 174.5 from 200.17. Here you see that 174.5 is having one decimal place, 200.17 is having two decimal places. So here these are unlike decimals, we have to convert them into like decimals. So how we will convert? This is the maximum decimal place among these two numbers. So I have to convert this decimal with a single place. I have to convert it into two decimal place without changing the value of this number. So it will be how you will putting the 0 to the right side of this number. Okay. Now again I am repeating it. 200.17. Now this is subtrahend and this is minuend. This is greater number, this is the smaller number. Now next work is you have to arrange these numbers in column. Right? Now second thing, follow the decimal point one below the after the other. Put the minus sign. Now when you are doing subtraction, forget about this decimal. Just do as you used to do in the case of decimal. Start from the right hand side. 7 minus 0 is 7. Now this 1 will become 11 and here 0 will become 9. Right? So 11 minus 5, it will be 6. Now 9 minus 4, it will become what? It will become 5. Again this 0, it will be also becomes 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2 and here 2 will also reduce to 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So let us check it by adding. 0 plus 7 is 7. 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carry over. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry over. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. It is correct. So the answer is difference is point and then see here follow the decimal point. Here, one just one after other. In this way you have to do subtraction of the decimal numbers. Now let us discuss about the properties. So properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. Always remember, first property, when a number is subtracted from, when we subtract 0 from a decimal number, when we subtract 0 from a decimal number, then we get the decimal number itself. So all of you see it. For example, 3.85 minus 0. What you will get? The same number, 3.85. This property is also same in the case of subtraction of the whole number. For example, 11.009. When 0 is subtracted from it, difference is 11.009. So, similarly children, you have to do worksheet number 5. There are fill in the blanks are there, worksheet number 5. So in case of worksheet number 5 now. So question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So you have to insert the correct answer in the space. So here A, 2.65 minus what? So that we get 2.65. So same thing what I have told you, when we subtract 0 from a decimal number, we get the decimal number itself. So same thing, so we have to subtract by 0. Now come to another example. 29.38 minus dash equal to 29.38. Same thing, when we subtract 0 from decimal number, we get the number itself. So we have to subtract 0. Now next example is 2.908 minus 0 equal to what? Same thing, when a 0 is subtracted from a decimal number, we get the decimal number itself. So children, today's assignment, what we have to do? Today's assignment is Now children, today's assignment is you have to do classwork worksheet number 4 and homework worksheet number 5. Now children, hope you have enjoyed my class. So if you have any queries or any problem, you may contact me in my WhatsApp number or during the Cisco meeting. So till then, goodbye, Shabak hai.